Hello everyone, welcome to the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. I am Krishna Chaitanya and this is Crack the Logic with KC. Over the next 100 days, you will be solving one hand-picked LRDI set every single day, a mix of basic to advanced questions which cover all the concepts required for CAT. We are also uploading quant and verbal videos as a part of this series. Make sure you watch all the 3 playlists for a complete preparation. To practice under exam pressure, all the sets we are discussing over here across all the sections are available in our website for completely free of cost. Just sign up to www.thegurukul.org.in and you can find a course called 100 Days Race to CAT. And all the sets over here are completely free for you to practice. Remember, CAT exam isn't about how perfect you are, it is about how consistent you are in your preparation. So let's not waste time and quickly jump into the video. So today we'll be solving one more LRDI problem, and before we move on, pause the video, try to solve the problem, and then we'll discuss what is happening in the set. So 6 teachers hailing from 6 different countries collaborated at some event. Their names are A, B, C, D, E, F. Each teacher curates a collection of educational material using both online and offline resources, and each teacher uses more than 20 resources of each type. The combined number of resources of both online and offline used by the teachers exceeds 47 but less than 71. There is some information followed with 4 questions. So we need to find out which teacher is using how many online resources and how many offline resources. So let's make a table like this. Names of the teachers, offline resources, online resources, and the total resources. Okay, so let's see what is happening. Frank has 12 offline resources fewer than the online resources. Okay, so if Frank is having 12 offline resources fewer than, which means less than the online resources. So if offline resources are x, online resources will be x plus 12. Total resources will be 2x plus 12. Frank has offline resources 12 fewer than the online resources. Okay, instead of taking minus, we are taking plus. B, C, D have the same total number of resources. So this is some t value total and total. Okay. E has 2 online resources more than offline resources. So if offline resources are y, online will be y plus 2, total will be 2y plus 2. Okay. A has a total of 6 resources fewer than E. E is having 2y plus 2. So A will be having 2y plus 2 minus 6, which is 2y minus 4. Okay. Than E, who has 6 fewer resources than C, which means E is having 6 fewer resources than C. How many are C is having? T is having 6. So T minus 6 is equal to 2y plus 2. T will be equal to 2y plus 2 plus 6, which is 2y plus 8. So this value is 2y plus 8, 2y plus 8 and 2y plus 8. This is also done. 5th statement. The total number of online resources is 10 more than the total number of offline resources. This total and this total they are talking about, we'll come back to that later. The total number of resources is 171 more than the total online resources. Now can I say total resources will be equal to online plus offline? But they gave us total resources is 171 more than online, which means can I say total offline will be equal to 171? Perfect. This total offline is 171. Total number of resources is 352. If this is 352 and this is 171, quickly calculate how many online are there. Very good. This will be 181. Okay, this statement also we used. This statement is also done. The number of offline resources with A, C and D is in the ratio 7:11:8. A is 7p, some different variable because x and y we already used, and then C is 11p and D is 8p, and B has 38 offline resources. This is 38. Perfect. So if I add everything, 7p plus 38 plus 11p plus y plus x should be equal to 171 plus 8. So if I add everything, that is 7p plus 38 plus 11p plus 8p plus y plus x should be equal to 171. So this total will be equal to 7 plus 11 plus 8, which is 26p. So 26p plus 38 plus x plus y is equal to 171. This is one equation. And totals, we already know 2y minus 4 plus 2y plus 8 plus 2y plus 8 plus 2y plus 8 plus 2y plus 2 plus 2y plus 12. This total should be equal to 352. Quickly calculate this one. It will be in terms of x and y's only. Perfect. This will be 2x plus 10y. Because 2x is here, remaining all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to 10y plus 34 is equal to 352, which means 2x plus 10y is equal to 352 minus 34. Perfect, which is 318. So x plus 5y is equal to how much? 318 by 2. That is 159. Perfect. This is 159. This is one equation. Now what else we can say? We need to get an equation with online also. If this is 2y minus 4 and this is 7p, this will be 2y minus 4 minus 7p. This will be 2y plus 8 minus 38. 2y plus 8 minus 11p. 2y plus 8 minus 8p. Now add everything. Quickly tell me an equation for that. So your total online will be how much? X plus, because there is only one x, and y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9y. And you need to do something for the p's. 7p minus 11p minus 8p. So only 7, all the 7, 11 and 8, all the 3 are negative only. So this will be minus 7p, this is minus 11p, this is minus 8p, which is whatever positive we got here, 26p. Here it will become minus 26p. And we are having this 8, 4. So minus 4 is there, here it will become minus 30, which will become minus 34 plus 8. Minus 34 plus 8 will become minus 26, and then another plus 8. Minus 26 plus 8 will become minus 18 plus 2. It will become minus 16 plus 12. It will become minus 4 is equal to 181. So this will be x plus 9y minus 26p will become 185. Okay, so we have three equations. Using these three equations, we need to calculate x values, y values and p values. Perfect. So x plus 5y is equal to 159. This is one equation. And another equation, 26p plus 38 plus x plus y is equal to 171. This is your equation for offline. Okay, and this equation we are getting with total. Okay, and we need to do something for online. Online equation will be x plus 9y minus 26p. X plus 9y minus 26p is equal to 185. This is for online. Now the only statement which we did not use it here, this also we used. The only statement is statement number 5, that is total number of online resources is 10 more than the total number of offline resources. and we already have the online value, which is the total, that is x plus 9y minus 26p, x plus 9y minus 26p minus 4, that is online value, and my offline value will be 26p plus 38 plus x plus y, that is my offline value. For this we need to add 10 more. Clear? Now shift x to one side, y to one side, and try to get some equation. Perfect. This x will get cancelled. You will have equation in terms of p and y only. That y will come this side, it will become 8y. 26 will go that side, it will become 52. Perfect. 8y equal to, very good, 8y equal to 52p minus 52. So 8y is equal to 52p plus 52. So if I cancel with 4, 2y is equal to 13p plus 13. So y is equal to 13 of p plus 1 by 2. So if you observe carefully, y is definitely a 13 multiple. Okay, this is one equation which we can consider, that is y is a 13 multiple, y equal to 13 into something. Now what can be that something value? Tell me. If you observe carefully here, that is for Bob online, we are having 2y minus 30. Right, this value should be definitely more than 20 because each teacher uses more than 20 resources of each type. So 2y minus 30, so we are having 2y minus 30 should be more than definitely 20. So 2y should be more than 50 and y should be more than 25. And if I want y to be more than 25 and y to be a multiple of 13, then the only possibility should be y is equal to 26 or y can be equal to 39 or the next multiples also. But the problem is, if I am taking y is 39, if you observe here, that is x plus 5 into 39 is equal to 159. Now calculate what is x value. 5 into y will be 5 into 39 will be equal to 195. So x will be equal to 159 minus 195, which means x is becoming a negative number, which is not at all possible. So x cannot be 13, y cannot be 39, y should definitely be 26 only. So I know y value is equal to 26. If y value is 26, then what is x value? So x plus 5y is equal to 159. So x plus 5 into 26 is equal to 159. So x will be equal to how much? Perfect. X is equal to 29. Clear? Now if I know x value and y value, can I find out p value? I will substitute over here and find out p value. That will be equal to 29, that is x value, plus 9 into 26 minus 26p. So this will be minus 26p is equal to 185. Quickly calculate this and find out p value. Quick. Perfect. So p will be equal to 3. I know p value, I know x value, I know y value. We just need to get it and substitute over here. X value we know 29, y value is 26, that will be 41, and this will be 28, and sum of these two should come here, that is 52 plus 2, that is 54, and this will come here, which is equal to 70. Clear? This will be 2y plus 8, that is 52 plus 8. This is 60, this is 60, and this is 60. This is 52 minus 4, which is 48. Right? P value is 3. So this is 21, this is 33, this is 24. Now 60 and 24 are done here. This will be 36. 60 and 33 are done. This is 27. 60, 38. This is 22. 48, 21. This is 27. Clear? Perfect. Now let's look at the question. Which teacher has the most online resources? Most online resources are with Frank. That is option D. None of this. Next. What is the total number of online resources with all the teachers? Total online resources 181. Now for that 181, we don't even need to solve the problem. If you read this one statement carefully, then we will get that 181, because this and this together is 181. What is the total number of resources with C? C is having total of how much? Total of 60 resources. Perfect. Which of the following sequence correctly represents the teachers in the descending order based on the total number of resources they possess? So C, F, E, A. We want to find the descending order. C, F, no, that is not happening. F and C will happen, option D, because F is more and then C is coming. Okay, let's look at the other two options also over there. FC and EA. F, C, E, A. Perfect. So answer is option D. This is having exact descending order. Clear? Perfect. So with this we'll end the set over here. Now before we move on, pause the video, try to solve the problem one more time, and then we'll discuss. So before we move on, pause the video and solve the problem one more time. And before you leave the video, comment down how many answers you got correct and also how much time you took to solve this question. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share, and subscribe.